Hi, I'm Ryan Highland, the town manager for the town of Silverthorne, and want to invite everyone in the community to join us on January 31st from 4 to 6 p.m. at the Silverthorne Pavilion to learn more about the latest plans for the Smith Ranch neighborhood. Also, we want to invite folks to join us that may be thinking about becoming Silverthorne residents, folks who are interested in owning in this neighborhood. The open house will feature architectural drawings so everyone can understand the style and the aesthetic that will be part of the neighborhood. We will also have the Summit Combined Housing Authority representatives there, and they will be talking about some of the programs that they have for down payment assistance, and also provide an understanding of the income levels that will be required to attain the housing here. So it will be more than just a look at the community plans, but an opportunity for anyone who's interested in living here to really get an understanding of what these units will be like and the affordability and the deed restrictions that will come along with those units. So I say that now is the time because it really is. There's bare ground behind me now, but in the spring of this year, 2018, we will be breaking ground, and we anticipate that the first phase of units will be completed before the end of 2018. So we would have purchases completed and people taking ownership and residing in some of the homes in the first phase before the end of the year. So I hope that you'll come join us. It's a very exciting time in Silverthorne, and this is a fantastic neighborhood. Will be a great new addition to our community. So January 31st at the Pavilion from 4 to 6 p.m. Come join us and learn more about the Smith Ranch neighborhood. We do have a website. You can learn more at silverthorne.org. So I hope that you'll come out to the open house and join us. This is a very exciting development for Silverthorne, and we're excited to be bringing new residents to our community in this workforce neighborhood. So join us on the 31st. Thanks.